Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I will be teaching you 3 easy to follow steps on how to gift wrap your own bouquet. If you would watch my previous video, I taught you how to make a basic hand-tied bouquet, and I hope you've smashed that technique now. So we're just going to go on to how we wrap it. So this is just a lovely summery bouquet I've made up just for an example. So we're going to be wrapping this one today. It's got lovely yellow spray roses in, Miss Piggy roses, Gemini, Delphinium, Aster, some lovely foliage. Okay guys, so this is all that you're going to need. So you need some heavy duty sellotape dispenser. You need a roll of craft paper. You need some string and some sharp scissors. Step number 1. So now we're just going to unravel our craft paper. We're going to unravel it to about 60 centimetres long so we can cut an oblong sort of shape. And then we're going to repeat this 3 times. Just going to pop this down here, and then all we need to do is individually fold them in half. So 1, 2, 3. And there we go, that's the first step done. Step number 2. We're now just going to take our scissors and go to the centre of the fold of the craft paper and just cut a small rectangle out of there. And this just helps the cellophane wrap round the neck of the bouquet better. Step number 3. So all we're going to do now is get our bouquet and align where the binding point and neck of the bouquet to the rectangle that we've made in the craft paper. So it looks something like this. So you can see that our binding point and the neck of the stems are placed onto the rectangle. Now all that we're going to want to do now is to lift both sides up and pinch them together like this, and then we are going to want to put some sellotape on there. So just put a piece of cellophane just at the bottom, so then it will be nicely attached. So it looks something like this. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to give it a quarter turn like this, and then we're going to do the same process again. So just pick both edges up like this, turn it over, grip the bottoms and just put a bit of sellotape on there to secure. And then just again, so quarter turn, sides up, so that it looks like this, bit of sellotape. Now the reason that we did quarter turns is just to make this peak-like effect. It consolidates the bouquet and gives it a really nice finish. So what you just need to do now is just crunch the bottom of the bouquet and place it down. Then we're just going to get our string, just cut a little bit of string off there, and then we are just going to tie it just around the bottom to keep it secure. Like so. And there we have it. You have tied and wrapped your gift bouquet. I hope this video was super duper informative and simple to follow. If it was and you enjoyed it, please subscribe, comment, like, and I will see you in the next video for some more floral tips.